Alright, so I haven't done data science logs because I meant to do them as separate videos, but whatever, but that's besides the point. I guess I'll just start today. I don't know. So yesterday I did a one sample t-test, but I didn't post it because I actually got stuck with my code because I was trying to find the p-value, and the function that I had used before only like worked if it was like a two-tailed test, and I had it if it was right-tailed, but it didn't work if it was left-tailed. And then I figured it out, but then it was too late because I had to go to sleep. So I'm doing it again. And actually, this is the same problem, but I found it with the data given to us. So if I go over here, not on Netflix, I mean on the whiteboard, I'm going to show you the problem that I was working on yesterday, which is the exact same one, except that the standard deviation is given to us, and I think that the mean is also given to us from the sample. And I'm going to show you. Hold up. Any day now. One sample t significance test. Hopefully the problem is there and I didn't delete it. Ah, oh my god, it's there. See, so I found the same problem. So here, the standard deviation is in green and it's given to us. And then over here, we have our mean, which is 4.77. It's given to us. But then I found the same problem online, but the data is given to us instead, and the standard deviation and the mean is not given to us. So it's amazing the fact that I can like do this, because now I can show you two ways of doing this. So like when you're given the data, right, and you have to find the standard deviation and the mean of the sample by yourself, and also when you aren't given the sample and standard deviation, it's one less step to do it. But this is something that, you know, happens in a lot of problems where the data is given to you and some people don't know how to do that. So I'm gonna actually I'm not gonna do it by hand. I'm gonna do it with Python because we're doing data science right now. This is not like a math video. It's just one of my logs. This is also not a tutorial. It's a log. If it's a log, it's gonna be in the description box below. It's gonna be like, this is a log, not a tutorial. If it's a tutorial, then it will have nothing like in the description box below saying that it's a log. Okay. So yeah. So for this one, I'm gonna do import. You can also pause and read the problem. Import pandas as PD, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a data frame. I'm gonna call it PD PD data frame, and then I'm gonna just enter these into their own thing. Okay, so we're gonna do 4.5.3. Salud. Okay, 4.53. And then 5.04, and now it's frozen. It freezes literally every second. Okay. 5.04. Okay, that. 5.04, 3.29, salud. Wait, how is it gonna be? Okay, 5.42, 6.38, 4.01, 5.23. Okay, I'm gonna pause this and then I'm gonna come back to you once I put these numbers in. Alright, so this is what the data looks like. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just making a data frame, and I'm going to, once this decides to unfreeze, okay, there, I'm going to do data so that it prints out the data frame, and I'm going to run it and see what it looks like. Okay, so here it is, right? We have our, dissolved oxygen levels. So they're all in one column, a data set thing, data column, a data series. Okay, it's a series. And what I'm going to do, because I want to get the standard deviation and I want to get the mean, all I'm going to do now, because it's in a data frame, I'm allowed to use like pandas standard deviation and mean function. So I can just do data and then select the column name, so DO, and I can just do mean and run that, and it's going to give me the mean. And then I can do data, do bracket notation, select the column DO and do std, and then it's going to give me the standard deviation. And if you check, oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, if you check in the original problem, the standard deviation is 0.939, right? Get ready for this, hold up. And then, let me show you. Oops, wrong window. Where are we? Okay, and over here, the standard deviation is 0.939, and I think it's rounded to 3 decimal places. So what I can do is I could do round, apply the round function, comma 3, so it rounds to 3 decimal places. Oops, no, let's do 5. 4. But then 3 rounds weird. 5. 4. Why is it like that? 0.939. Okay, either way, you know what I mean. So we get that, and then we can also round the mean by 4 decimal places. And if you notice, the mean is 4.77. And what did we get? We got 4.77. Isn't that amazing? Okay, so that's basically how we get that. This thing doesn't want to unfreeze. It's like so slow. Okay, here, so let's do round. Maybe I need to reset my computer because 2. There, beautiful. So we have our mean and our standard deviation. And then from there, we can now perform a significance test because we have our mean and standard deviation. And I think that's amazing. I can't believe this is literally a coincidence. Like, how am I going to find the data? Like, it's insane because I was working on this problem yesterday, but I didn't have the data. And then today I have the data. Like, I found it online. I was like, oh, okay. It's really cool. But yeah, that's what that is. Yeah, super short thing for today. Okay, bye. And I'm also probably gonna wow, I can't speak. I'm probably gonna be doing a video on this, like an actual video. Although maybe not, because I already did this. Like, why am I gonna redo the video and say it's not a tutorial? Like, why? I might as well just make this a tutorial because... But I feel like I didn't do a good job in explaining anything. Yeah, no, I'm gonna leave it as a log. I'm not gonna spend time on this. Okay, bye.